Hey everybody, I'm Andrew Starks, Director of Product Management for Macnica. We're here at InfoComm 2021, and we're going to show part of the suite of tools and features that are part of our MPA 1000 launch kit. Included with every launch kit is access to our white box reference design, which we have demonstrated right here. So you want to make something, you want to make a product that's IPMX based, where do you start? A great place to start is right here with a gateway device. This box can be either encoder or decoder, includes PoE built into the device, and USB extension, which we're demonstrating right here. So you can see the excellent quality of the MPA 1000 on display here. Really transparent desktop look with very low latency, and that's built in right there and being demonstrated through our white box reference design. Again, part of the dev kit, part of the launch kit. So thanks a lot for watching this quick demo. Again, my name is Andrew Starks. If you want more information, please go to macnicatech.com and check us out.